What is going on, guys? Quick video install of the Brandon King Overflow hose. And let's go ahead and look at the original hose. It's right here. This is where this is going to go. And I don't really have too much runoff from the fuel myself, but eventually that gasoline will start to eat up your paint. So I was already thinking of putting an extension hose here, but I figured I'd just order the Relocation kit, make it a little easier than having to outsource everything. So this is where this is going to go. It includes the 2 zip ties, so you can zip tie it. So basically the hose is going to be stuck behind here, but under here, and then you can zip tie it to wherever you want. I believe Beth did a video on this herself, also using the BLR tuning kit, but this one here is the Brandon King kit. It's pretty much the same thing. Looks like it's got the same fitting on this. I don't know who came up with this first, but either way, I got this kit from Brandon King. But this is something I was planning on doing even before getting this kit. So I'm gonna get this installed and show you guys how I installed it. Alright guys, so the install is complete. As you can see, the hose is not even visible anymore. I did use longer zip ties. I'm not using the included ones. And also, it worked well. It's back there. It's hard to see under, but that's where the hose is now. You can see it here. So when it overflows, it won't go on your suspension A-arms. Pretty simple install. Would be a lot easier if you could pop these off, which I didn't. I wanted to do it without actually doing it that way. But there it is, installed. Easy peasy. Instructions. It does say you can pop off the panel. I didn't do that. I don't want to do it that way. I figured I'd do it the way without popping out the panels. Since I'm not too sure how to pop this thing out, I figured I'd just do it that way. But there'll be no more spillage on the A-arms. Alright guys, that's it. Quick little video.